it's Christina and Armando here.
What's up?
Welcome to our Try Something New series where we are going to take you along with us while we follow our curiosity and try new things. Whether it be trying new recipes, doing DIY projects, different challenges, whatever our curiosity brings to us, we're going to try something new. And the first thing we are going to try is making some focaccia bread. I think that's how you say it.
Focaccia.
Focaccia bread.
Focaccia bread.
And
Get it together.
the recipe that we're going to use is from Joanna Gaines from the Magnolia Table Volume 2 cookbook. And yeah, so we've never done this before, but it looks really good and
Not very healthy.
no,
But it looks
not
delicious.
healthy, but good. I never said we were going to do healthy video cooking recipes.
I start my cut tomorrow, so I don't care.
But yeah, so we're going to take you along and hopefully it turns out good. We'll see what happens.
I'm excited.
So the first step is to combine the instant yeast, a 1/4 cup of water, warm water, and a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to do that. Sugar, a teaspoon, and the water. And then this will need to sit for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add the bread flour and salt to the mixer. And it's 5 cups of bread flour.
5 cups.
Can you get 1.5 cups of warm water?
1.5 cups of warm water.
I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. And the water. The yeast mixture that we just did. And 1/2 cup of olive oil. Do you ever read the recipe multiple times, the same step, just to make sure you read it correctly? That's how I do it. Am I sure? Are you sure that's what it said?
Meanwhile, I'm over here thinking we'd be way more accurate if we weighed it by grams, but
I don't have time for that. 1/2 cup olive oil, and now we just mix it. And we gotta move the mixer because it needs to reach the outlet. Never used this attachment before, so this is fun. Exciting. Okay. And let's go. Okay, so the dough is done mixing together. Now I'm gonna spray this bowl, put the dough in there, and cover it with plastic, and then it has to sit in a warm spot for 1 hour. Spraying it with cooking spray. And here we go. Hopefully it turns out okay. I don't know. We'll see.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's been an hour. Now we're going to punch the dough to release the air. I think that's what it said, so let's see. Oh, muscles.
it looks like you enjoyed punching a little too much.
Okay. I think got the air down. Now, and we're gonna put it on the pan, but I have to drizzle some olive oil. Ooh, that's a lot of olive oil. Alright, and I'm supposed to take this and spread it on there.
Freddie, what are you doing? Struggling?
A little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put some oil on my fingers. Right. And make little holes. Messy, alright. Make some holes. Alright, and then we're gonna cover this, and it has to sit for another hour.
1 hour later.
Okay, it's been an hour. Now we're just gonna put some toppings on it, which is olive oil, salt, and rosemary, fresh rosemary. And then we're gonna put it in the oven at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. And then we get to eat it. Let's do it's 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Or however much you would like. And it's 1 tablespoon of sea salt. I think. Let me just make sure. Yes, 1 tablespoon. I'm just gonna sprinkle it. And then some fresh rosemary. This is 1 tablespoon, but I'm just gonna eye it. So I decided to just do half with the rosemary and half without, because our son is very picky. So just in case, I want him to be able to eat some. So we're gonna put it in the oven now. 20 to 25 minutes. Let's go. Turns out good.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so it's been about 25, probably close to 28 minutes. So we're gonna take it out.
Looks good.
We're about to cut into it and give it a try. Seems nice and crispy.
Oh, this looks delicious. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.
Watch make this rooster.
That's real good. Yeah.
Very good.
Yummy. All right, time for dinner. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye.